Hi everyone! Today's video is all about salad dressings. I am Paula Romero and I want to share with you simple ways to cook good food. Today I'm going to share 4 salad dressing recipes with you, as well as 4 reasons why you should make your own at home. First, cost savings. It's going to cost you a fraction of the price of store-bought dressings. 2, no preservatives. You know exactly what is in it. 3, you can use them for more than just salad dressings. You can use them to marinate meat, to drizzle over sandwiches, for pasta salad, over tacos, and so on. And 4, making your salad dressings at the start of the week is going to motivate you to eat your greens. Don't forget to check the card for our mise en place video to help you to plan your weekly menu. I like to use mason jars for my salad dressings or any glass container with a lid. Also, you can use any bottle that you have. I prefer glass over plastic. And this one here, do you think I bought this for this purpose? No! I bought this because I think it's cute, it matches with my shirt today, and it looks great in my kitchen. So let's get started. Dressing number 1, honey mustard. It's not new, everybody knows honey mustard, but it's always nice to have them in your refrigerator. So the ingredients are extra virgin olive oil. Every time you make a salad dressing, use a nice extra virgin olive oil because it's fruity and it's much tastier than regular olive oil. A quarter of a cup also of cider, apple cider vinegar, a quarter of a cup of the star of the dressing, Dijon mustard, I'm just measuring just because, but normally a quarter of a cup equals about 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna leave this here for now. I'm gonna need a quarter of a cup of honey. One teaspoon of salt and a quarter of a teaspoon of black pepper. Okay, I just want to smell this and show you how it looks inside. Right? It's already inviting. And refrigerate for at least 30 minutes before you dress your salad. And don't forget to name it, okay? So you know, especially when you're making more than 2 dressings, so you know exactly what is in the jar. This one is Dijon mustard. Today is 7/21/21. They should be good for about 10 to 14 days in the refrigerator. Dressing number 1 is done. Next, balsamic vinegar. Same thing. Olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, balsamic vinegar, Dijon mustard, honey, salt, pepper, black pepper, and 1 clove of garlic, or a quarter of a teaspoon of garlic paste. Check the card for our garlic paste video. Same procedure. Oh wow! Check this out. Very smooth. Perfect. Same thing. Labeled, dated, and let it refrigerate for 30 minutes before use. They're all gonna be the same procedure except one which I'm gonna leave it for last. So this is balsamic. Let's move on to our third salad dressing, lemon vinaigrette. Olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, salt and pepper. Very simple dressing, but delicious. This dressing in particular, very good for marinating. It's so refreshing. That's why it's important to label what kind of dressing, because we won't remember. Plus, how can you tell which one is honey mustard and which one is lemon dressing? So, don't forget to name it. In our fourth dressing, I'm gonna use the blender because I need this dressing to be very, very well combined and smooth. So the shaking probably won't do it. Blender will be the best option. Greek yogurt blue cheese dressing. I'm using nonfat Greek yogurt. You can use whatever you prefer. Blue cheese. I love blue cheese. lemon juice, some garlic paste or half of a garlic clove, some white vinegar, salt, pepper. Here we go. Oh wow. Perfect. You can keep this in a mason jar if you want to keep the standard, but I want to use my cute bottle with the blue flowers, which gonna match my blue shirt. I'm gonna use a blue funnel to transfer the dressing to the bottle. And this is pretty much it. I'm gonna just write down here blue cheese. Before using the dressing, remember to shake it again, just to combine all the ingredients again. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you know when we post something new. Enjoy your salad. So good. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.